So I'm trying to ask everybody this. What is your favorite animal?
Tiger shark. Best kind of shark.
I'm partial to scorpions.
I like those really big dogs. The ones they use to ward off bears.
Oh, Siberian tiger.
Whichever is strongest. I'm also fond of starlings.
Is there a kind of dingo that is also a shark?
Scolopendra gigantea.
The Black Widow.
I don't see why it's relevant, but leopard seal.
Humans, I suppose.
Definitely the zergling.
My current favorite is a really big dog used to ward off bears. My current favorite is Triceratops. My current favorite is the tiger shark. My current favorite is the dragonfly. My current favorite is the penguin. My current favorite is the rhinoceros. My current favorite is the Jack Russell Terrier.
Yeah. Triceratops.
I've always wanted a guinea pig. I'd name it Melrose.
Really? Take a guess.
Oh, I like penguins.
Eichhörnchen. That's German for squirrel.
Ants. They build marvelous structures and cooperate when threatened. I find them inspirational.
Jack Russell Terrier.
I identify with the noble rhinoceros.
Pachimari.
I love those deep-sea animals. Like the big fin squid. Dragonflies. Such perfect creatures.
Moose, of course.
Cheetah. No, lion. Gorilla. Oh, no, sorry, Winston. I think it's a falcon. It's got to be.
Rabbits. The huge ones.
I envy ants for their clarity of purpose.
It's that, pig thing. Like the fancy jungle pig.
The tardigrade, of course. The most adorable phylum in the irradiated vacuum of space.
Yeah, I can see it.